Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update graphic drivers on Windows. It will be really simple and easy. So what you have to do is come to the bottom of the computer and click on search, and you need to go and type in device manager. Once the device manager opens up, what you need to do is go and find display adapters, go over to the left and click on the arrows so it goes and opens up. Then what you need to do is go and find your graphic card. I've got few here, but the one I actually use is the NVIDIA GeForce. Then what you need to do is go and right click on it, and you need to go and click on update driver. You will go and get this pop-up, and you can go and do an automatic search. If there is any updates available, they will go and be done. In this case, if they have already been installed. It does say though there may be better drivers on Windows Update or on the device manufacturer's website. So if you got a graphic cards like Nvidia or AMD, what we can do is go and use the manufacturer's website for the driver. So I will go and open up my web browser, and all I did was search for Nvidia drivers, come to the official website, and what we can do is go and get them. So for Nvidia we can actually go and get an app. For AMD it be similar. Then what you can do is I've actually already got the app installed. If you don't, go and get it installed and then open G4 Experience. Here it is, and then we can go in the top left and click on drivers, and then click on this check for updates. As you can see, there is an update available. Just simply download it and then you can install it, and then you are good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to update graphic drivers in Windows. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.